Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a Kinder Beauty unboxing. So if you want to see what we got in the August, we're in August now, right? In the August Kinder Beauty box, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so yes, we're unboxing August Kinder box. I'm so excited about this. You guys know I love Kinder. So, and if you don't know what Kinder is, I will have more information listed down below, but basically it is a vegan, cruelty-free monthly beauty subscription box, and it's awesome. Yeah, it's, like I said, all vegan and cruelty-free beauty, and I've been happy with every single box I've ever gotten. I will link all my other Kinder Beauty videos down below, as well as my vegan friendly playlist. So yeah, let's just, I guess, get into this. Absolutely so excited. Yeah, so on top we have this, oh, something spilled. So something's leaking. So that's fun. Yes, we have this card that they always put in that has the info on everything that is inside the box. They have two variations of the box, and you get surprised each month with which one you're going to get. So yeah, let's find what's leaking. I think it's, oh yeah, it's this. Okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out, because it's leaking everywhere, is this Delicioso Skincare Watermelon and Coqui Micro Spear Polish. It's leaked everywhere. It's okay. It's okay. I want to make it clear that the Kinder Beauty team is incredible, and their customer service is insanely great. So all I have to do really is just message them and they'll take care of this. I'm not going to. I'm sure they're busy enough, you know, and I think things are still kind of crazy with like everything going on with COVID, so I'm not going to really bother them with this because it's not that big of a deal. This is the first broken thing I've ever had in a Kinder box, I'm pretty sure, so I mean, and it happens, you know what I mean? I'm not really gonna bother them with it. I typically don't when things are broken, unless it's like something like that's like super expensive and there's just no way I can get it and I really, really wanted it and it's completely like ruined, like there's no fixing it. So yeah, that's only ever happened once, and that was with a BoxyCharm eyeshadow palette. So well, it was a Tarte eyeshadow palette that I got in a BoxyCharm. So I'm not going to, you know, but it's fine. But just so you know, for anybody who does get anything, if you ever get a broken product, just email them and they're incredible. They will help you out, no issue at all. So, oh my gosh, it looks like this. I think this went bad in transit from being open the whole time, and it's so hot here because it kind of smells a little off, which sucks, but again, it's okay, it happens. And honestly, for the price, it's not like I'm really like losing money here, so that's okay. That's okay. As a matter of fact, to support the business, I will probably at some point try to go in and just buy myself some of that, like, you know, one of those masks. So but what this does about it is polish away dullness for a radiant looking extra soft complexion using this gentle organic scrub. Perfect for all skin types. Watermelon is abundant in vitamins A, B, C, lycopene, I don't know if I'm saying that right, sorry, and naturally occurring omega acids, paired with CoQ10 and other age-fighting antioxidants like bilberries, coffee, and alpha hydroxy acids. This gentle polish and mask in one works to improve signs of damage and wrinkles. Conducted studies show that using a cream with a small dose of CoQ10 can reduce wrinkle depth up to 27% after a 6-month usage, and it retails for $39.95. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy me some of that so I can actually try that out. You guys know I am a sucker for skincare, and I'm always trying to keep the wrinkles away. So yeah, so the next thing I'm grabbing out of here is this Delia Organics Dewdrops Serum. So this says, this lightweight balancing oil delivers essential hydration, fatty acids, polyphenols, and antioxidants to the skin, which results in a healthier looking complexion. With daily use, you will notice an even complexion and refreshingly hydrated skin. Dewy skin never looked so good, and it retails for $30. Okay, yes, please. Very excited for this. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? Yeah, okay. Definitely excited to try that out. Next is this Eco Lips Lip and Cheek Tint. And mine is in pink. Or is they all in, I guess they're all in pink. Okay. So it says, looking for a pop of color without the additives. Our multitasking vegan beauty balm has a smooth, lightweight formula that delivers natural color to lips and cheeks, while imparting a soft, smooth finish. It's made with lightweight, non-toxic earth minerals without any synthetic colors or parabens. Natural minerals provide an attractive color that works with any skin tone. Organic jojoba, I never know how to say that word right. Coconut oil and organic fair trade cocoa butter moisturize and protect while leaving behind a fresh hibiscus scent. Simply apply to cheeks and blend with pads of your fingers, and it retails for $8.99. So I'm just curious. I'm not going to put it on because obviously I have my makeup done, and if it's not up yet, it will be up soon. I did a full face of just vegan makeup, so yeah, if it's already up, I'll link it down below. If it's not, go look for it. It's gonna be, it's great. I have so many swatches all over my hands from batch filming today, so, ooh, okay. It's just a very subtle pink color. That's beautiful. Okay. I really like this so far, so, okay. Felt very smooth too, so very excited to give this a go. So next is this 100% pure, creamy, long-lasting eyeliner in dark cocoa. Okay, and it says, creamy, long-lasting pencil eyeliner glides easily onto lids to line and define your eyes. Jojoba, chamomile butter, and mango seed oil moisturize and nourish skin while ensuring a smooth, flake-free application with every use. The shade comes in dark cocoa and retails for $26. So dark cocoa, I'm guessing, is like a dark brown, so I'm very excited about that. Ooh, yes, I really like that. I like having brown liners, especially with red hair. So the last thing I'm pulling out is this glove, and I believe it's a pocket mirror. Yeah, so it is a bio-based pocket mirror. Want to create a flawless look wherever you are with our new glove bio-based mirror that's going to be easy as your ABCs. The mirror comes in a travel-friendly case that fits perfectly into your purse or pockets. That's why it's called a pocket mirror, isn't it? Take care of yourself and our planet with our newest accessory and start marveling at how radiant your reflection is, and it retails for $10. That's cool, because I wanted a mirror to put into my purse anyways, and if you don't know about my purse, I will link my most recent What's in My Bag video down below. It's an incredible, incredible bag. I love it. So yeah, check it out. And it's a vegan bag. I can't open it. What? I don't know how to open the mirror. I am not smarter than the mirror. Oh no. Okay, so I'm not gonna open this to show you because I am not smarter than the mirror. But I got a little pocket mirror. So alright guys, so that was this month's, well, this variation of this month's Kinder Beauty box. I am honestly so happy with it. I know, like, I probably sound like a broken record because every single unboxing I'm always like, I loved this, I'm so happy with this, this was so great. But honestly, it is every single month. It's great. I've never been disappointed in a box. Like I said, the only real issue I have with this box is that this went bad and like leaked everywhere. But honestly, you know what? Things happen. life. This is just life, and it's honestly, it's okay. Like I said, I know that if I wanted to get a new one, I could easily just email them, but I mean, it's not the end of the world, and I will just actually go and purchase it from the retailer. You know, because I mean, that way I'm also helping out a business, you know, a vegan business, so why not? So yeah, and like I said, I know I tell you guys every single month that I love the box, but I just genuinely do. I've gotten some of my absolute favorite makeup products from them, you know, from this box. Like my K-Boss highlighters, you guys know I love them. I'm actually wearing it today. Love those highlighters. Or like, also wearing this today, my Glamonizers Renew and Do Mist. I got this from a Kinder box. I love this so much. I just want to buy like a 50-year supply. Is that so much to ask? So yeah, I'm genuinely a fan of this box. I highly recommend it. I will have my link down below if you're interested in getting one for yourself. It is an affiliate link. Don't feel obligated to use it if you don't want to. There are plenty of other YouTubers, I'm sure, who have affiliate links if you would rather use theirs, or you can simply go to Kinder Beauty, to their website, and get yourself one there. But my link will be down below if you are interested in using it. But just genuinely, I do love this box. I do highly recommend it, and I will have all of the information listed down below, pricing, everything like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for joining me today. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out if you haven't done so already. I would absolutely love for you to join me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.